Hi friends, and welcome to Camille's Country Corner. I am Camille, and on today's episode we will be making two different dishes but the same ingredients. So we will be making some shrimp scampi, and we will also be making some chicken scampi. All right, let me show you what you need for this recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit the like button. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will of course need a pound of shrimp. I have 2 chicken breasts that I have just sliced in half, and then I sliced into strips. I have some angel hair pasta that we're going to be putting underneath as our bed. I have butter. I have some olive oil. We have some chicken broth. You can use white wine here. I would use a dry, not sweet white wine, something you would preferably drink. I have some garlic. Finally found some garlic, so I don't have to use the minced garlic. I can use some fresh today. We've got a poblano pepper. We've got some fresh lemon. Got a couple of scallions. We've got some Parmesan cheese. Some of this is for the chicken scampi. That's made a little bit different. All right, let's get started. I'll show you how to put all of this together. It's a quick, fast recipe. Okay, I have mostly chopped my garlic, which I forgot to show you on camera. Doesn't matter. I have my water going. I have a whole stick of butter. I am going to do half for the chicken and half for our scampi. But first I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in our pan. And I probably used about, I don't know, 4 each of the cloves. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. To that, I'm going to add my peppers, some of my onions, and all of my chicken to this one. All right, to this one, I'm gonna go ahead and add, and add some of our scallions. No. I am just going to go ahead and melt our butter, which I may have this too high. So let me take this off the burner for a second. Let's cool it down. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add, let me turn this way down. Going to add our shrimp. It doesn't take very long for shrimp, just a couple of minutes on each side. As our shrimp is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic to it. Go ahead and add our garlic to our chicken. I am going to add the scallions in now. This dish comes together really quick. Our shrimp will start to turn pink. Once that happens, we know that it's done. And like I said, I only sliced our garlic. Our chicken is starting to brown up. I am going to go ahead and add our butter here. I've got about 4 tablespoons of butter in that as well. I am going to slice our lemon, and I'm going to squirt the juice over top. And at this point, I'm going to add about a cup, maybe about a half a cup of our chicken broth to each one. And we're going to create our sauce. And we'll finish cooking our chicken in our broth. Our shrimp were almost ready. I am going to add a little bit more salt and pepper if needed. Definitely pepper at this point. Our pasta water just came up to a boil. We're going to go ahead and drop our pasta in there. Make sure you salt your water. I am only going to be doing about half a pound of our pasta today. Ooh, look at that, fogging up the camera. Sorry, folks. Our shrimp are almost ready. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of dried parsley. I don't have fresh today. And I'm going to go ahead and turn off our scampi for our shrimp. Our chicken is almost ready. I am going to be adding some Parmesan cheese, but only to the chicken, because I don't always think that cheese should go into seafood. All right, our freshly grated Parmesan. All right, let me show you what this looks like all plated up now that it's ready. Okay, friends, this is what it looks like when it's done. Here is the shrimp scampi. Here is the chicken scampi. Okay, friends, now that it is done, let's give it a try, shall we? Look at that magnificent plate. I went ahead and added both the chicken and the shrimp, and the reason I didn't cook it together is because my son doesn't like the shrimp, but we do. So let's go ahead and try the shrimp first. Oh my goodness. So the butter, everything tastes better with butter, but the butter and the garlic, just that hint of lemon that I put at the end, oh, that tastes wonderful. Now for the chicken. Ooh, look, a big old sloppy bite. The same flavors carrying through with the lemon. Could have probably added a little bit more lemon to the chicken one, but I can taste the poblanos. It's got just a little bit of heat. It's got, those actually were very spicy for a poblano. The garlic, I probably could have added 3 more cloves. It would have been even more perfect. All right, guys, this was a quick, easy meal. I hope you try this recipe. We're going to have more recipes like this. We do publish videos 3 times a week, on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and on Sundays, or sometime over the weekend. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe. Definitely hit the like, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by today. Have a good one.